remember, the mind is following us, not the wealth. So when you know these things, then we are not becoming slaves of our thoughts. We can make these unwholesome thoughts as slaves, and we can conquer those unwholesome thoughts and live happily by practicing like contentment, then patience, knowing the impermanence nature. And then some people commit suicide, but they don't understand that they are again getting alive after committing suicide. Now think, everyone was born from a mother and a father. The same thing happens in a future birth, unless either sometimes they are born in an egg, or else they are born among vegetarians, or else they are born as a spontaneous birth. They get a birth as a spontaneous birth, or else in a mother's womb. There are only 4 places, 4 types of birth happens. So we are not when we commit suicide, remember, we have not eradicated rebirth. Just like we were born in this life, there will be a place for us to be born again. And when you commit suicide, that will become a practice in this life, a habit. So don't do bad habits like that. That bad habit will affect our upcoming births. We will have that bad habit in future births as well. So this life is to abandon the bad habits, not to develop bad habits. We can do it in this life. If you have lost a lot of friends, if you have lost all your members, family members, yet remember, there are other people in this world to associate. So we should try to develop our mind to a great extent.